most of the time kasi pagka, as you know, there have been threats being received by members of Congress, by employees, by staff, from groups, no? Of course, we don't mind them, no? Because that's the hazard of our job. So, it's part of working in the government. So, wala namang additional protection. It's just very strict on those entering the Congress, the premises, no?
Sir, can you cite specific threats? Meron po ba recently against any member of the House?
Well, I cannot reveal the names of those who have received threats, no? But some members have received threats.
Recent po yan, sir.
Yes, recent.
Ano pong sinasabi? Connected po sa charter change?
Hindi namin alam. Basta sinasabi lang na baka bombahin tong House of Representatives, mga ganun. But as I've said, we take all this threat seriously. So, kaya we have taken special precaution ngayon. Parang SONA to, SONA prep, no?
Sir, kailan yung